Everybody know a real nigga like me smoke more till a nigga can't smoke no more. I'm headed back to the corner store just to cop a new wood whole box, nigga, he already know.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see from the title of the video, I finally put my front bumper on and the front bash bar. So let me show you guys. Ooh, check that out. That hella changed it up, huh? God damn. Whoo. Look at that. Still got the wheels. Yee. Yeah, so the same homie I bought the side skirts from, I bought the bumper all together. He hooked it up fat. Honestly, I don't know what type of bumper that is. I think I've only seen one car on Instagram with it. I'm not sure. If you guys know, let me know. Cause I would love to know. It's freaking sick. Yeah, I don't know, cause most of the time they come down here, like under this light, and then they'll come right here. But this has this extra piece right here, so I don't know about that. Other than that, yeah, this bumper's beat up, but I'm repairing it slowly. Has a little bit of cracks here. I'm probably gonna do a quick release here. Still gotta repair this because right now it's just zip tied. I'm gonna fill this in, so I'm probably gonna have just a smooth, no lights right here. It's been repaired quite a bit. Take some beating. Gotta repair this. Look at that. Gotta repair all that. The homie Mario taught me how to fiberglass. And then he helped me bundle all this, so I'm gonna do all this now. Little bit of work, nothing crazy. Hopefully soon, so I can wrap it finally. And then got some here, something here. Nothing crazy though. Like, it's a good bumper. Got that. Missing a little bit of tab here, but it's a drift car, so you know I'm probably gonna break it because I'm gonna be sanding this shit. And it's a lot lower than the pig nose bumper I have. It's held on by like 4 10 mils and just 2 zip ties on the side. But yeah, I'm gonna be removing the bumper so I could wrap the fenders today. And I'll show you guys the bash bar from IGzz Racing. It's fucking sick. Like, I didn't have to cut the bumper at all. The clearance is fucking amazing. So yeah, let me get on it before it gets hella hot. I lied. It has been rubbing. Just a little bit right here, a little bit right here, and a whole lot right here. It's like, fuck! This shit looked hella good. Still does though. Shout out to Caesar. You guys saw the rear one, so the front one's the same. Same flake, same everything. Looks hella mint. I don't know if we can pick it up. Look at that. Yeah, if you guys ever need anything painted, hit up Caesar. I'll put his Instagram on the screen so you guys could follow him and hit him up. He's hella busy, but he does great work. He won't skimp out, man. Don't get a cheap ass painter. That shit's legit right there. So I'm guessing I am gonna have to trim a bit right here, but nothing crazy. I think just a bit right here too. Cause I know sometimes I see people, they have to cut deep in here for the jack point right here. They have to cut like deep, but this one you don't. It's just a little bit. Check this IGzz Racing bash bar. That shit's sick. It fits so nice. I had to take off the stock airbox, route these through the top. There's a little tab here on the stock frame rail that you have to punch in flat, and then other than that, it was a really tight fit, so I had to use like a rag and a rubber hammer and just tap it in little by little, little by little, and it fucking went in there fucking solid. It feels so solid. The front end feels good. And check it out. Woo! Fuck yeah. Look how solid that shit is. That's function right there. Oh fuck, that's what I hit. I hit something a couple days ago and I was like, fuck, what's that? It sounded horrible. This jack point is so low. I definitely need to put wood under the front wheel so I can at least get on the jack. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna prep the fender so I can wrap it. As you guys can see, it goes over the light, so I only have to wrap maybe around here. So that's cool, it's gonna save me some wrap. Also, yeah, that's why I wanted to take off the bumper so I could get into the seams right here so it looks a little better. And yeah, that's it, just prep it. This fender doesn't look too crazy. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, got one side done. Woo! A little bit more involved than I thought, but it came out good. Check it out. Woo! Got the corners nice and tight. Tucked it in there. I just cut it off here because the bumper comes up a little higher, like around here. So it's gonna be all hidden. I might just throw a piece on, just if the bumper's off, it doesn't look too bad. And hopefully this holds, because the rim sometimes hits right here, so it might rip right off. Also got this all nice and tucked. These corners are alright. I'm a little better than when I first started. Tucked everything in here. Then tucked it in here a bit. And everything here is good. So finally. Damn. Way nicer. Hell yeah. Now I gotta wrap the bumper. Still need one more side though. Looks way better with the fender wrapped. Look at that. Fucking 240s under mismatched colors. Alright guys, I gotta run some errands. But I'll be back hopefully later on today. I'll finish off the vlog. I'm just gonna wrap this side. But it's getting hella hot, so I'll wait till later and then maybe repair a little bit of the bumper today. We'll see, so see you guys in a bit. Sorry I didn't film much. I was just trying to rush before the drift event in a couple days. Got the driver's side fender done. This one was a lot smoother. I also got a lot of the bumper done. It's not gonna be perfect because there's so many curves on here. I just got the lower lip to do. So hopefully it wraps over the crack. I said fuck it, I'm just gonna wrap over it. I just wanted all one color. Babe came here to help me record.
I'm the cameraman.
What the hell? I'm about to chop this off right now. I'll give you a pedicure real quick. Damn, Velvet, why are you breaking the light? Fucker. Yeah, block the view of that new project over there. I gotta cut the bash bar. I've been fucking smashing, sending it everywhere, hitting every speed bump, just fucking destroying the speed bumps. But I don't want to bend my frame or damage the bash bar, so I'm gonna cut it up to here. It's pitch black. I got a good ass light here, so hopefully we get some good action shots, some slow-mo of me cutting it. Remember, always wear your safety glasses, some gloves. This one's for Bay. Alright, I'm gonna start it off with the angle grinder, and then I'm gonna finish it off with this one. I just need a good place to get the blade in. I almost burned her toe up. All your hairs are burnt now. I waxed them for you. Alright, time for the big boy. Look who just got here. Damn, bro. Looking all fresh. Damn. Look at that guy. Who's that guy right there? What are you gonna say to the vlog?
The car's all dirty.
Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. Got that shit cut. Gotta get the piece all the way down there. Way deep. Babe said I could use it as a gauge.
Yeah, you can put it in your ear.
Look at
You
that.
can wear it when you're drifting. Perfect size.
You look hella creepy. Later on, I'll hit it with some paint just so it don't rust, and then I'll clear it. And yeah, there's some spots I gotta fix because the bumper was rubbing on it. Let's see if this shit fits. Woo! Barely. Fuck. Yeah, look at that. Hella sick. Well, now let's finish this bumper. Got all this. So now I'm gonna see if I can get this all in one piece.
You got it.
I'm gonna need some help. Tighter. Alright. Ooh.
That looks good.
Yeah, I just wanted to clear the white. It looks pretty good here. Then, yeah, it gets really bad here. I tried, fuck it. I mean, it's not perfect. I still gotta do that side, but I won't bore you guys with this wrap. It's gonna take another 30 minutes probably to get this shit done because it was really bad over here. So there's gonna be another battle I gotta do. But thanks for helping, babe. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this wrap done. The drift event's in a couple of days, and I just wanted to look really good and get some good pictures. All I gotta do is another oil change and nothing crazy. Mike already hooked it up with some tires, so got that shit done. And yeah, so the next vlog will probably be the drift event. Thanks for watching. I don't think you could go, huh, babe? Whack. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, we out.
Later.
Peace.
No love, I'ma tell you niggas now, it's a dub. I don't give a fuck about clout, who you is or who you was.
Fuck me like you never have. Let's go, that be my other how. That little bitch asked for another how. It's getting lit, talking down, you getting hit.